Hi, this is an update to my previous demo. Now I'm not using logistic regression, but using FFT. This is EEG plus EOG now, so I can now use blink interaction as well. As this is a single channel, so I can just use one focus state. So this demo, so this current build is a research prototype on low single channel EEG and EOG hardware. But you may see occasional ambiguity on false positive and negatives due to contact quality and motion artifacts. So these things moves a lot. So but the pipeline is robust, and I can show you real-time demonstration of thought and blink controls. So I'll be moving back and just show you how it works. So as you see my screen, I made a small Mac app which I have connected. So it's currently switched off. So everything is in Arduino. It's connected, and I did the calibration, which is a bit giving me ambiguity, but I can still show you the demo. So I've connected apps like Spotify and Cursor here. So to show you small demo, let's start with Spotify, and I've set space as focus. So when I focus, it plays and pauses the music. Double blink is like goes to the previous song, and triple blink is goes to the next song. Same with Cursor. Focus is like paste a text, which is which is fix it please. So when I focus, it should say fix it please, and then double and triple is like copy and paste respectively. So let's start with a small demo. I triple blinked and then double blinked and then play. Triple blink is next one. So and then again triple blink and again, and then I put double blink was cleared. So okay, now I'm paused because I focused up, and then let's focus again to play it. So this is basically how Spotify works. So with you can see toast over here with double triple blink, and just one more demo of Cursor. So wanted a text-based demo as well. So if I open Cursor, and let's bring it with Cursor this time, and as you see, Cursor is active. So let's do let's first see if focus works. Yeah, fix it please. And if I do copy, okay, copy, paste, there you go. So with focus, I did fix it please because the text is set. So double blink copy and triple blink place, triple blink is paste. So I hope you like this demo. I didn't share the code, so I'm sharing the Arduino code as well as this Mac app code, so you can tinker with it. Let me know how you like this demo. Thank you so much.